Every internship, the goal is to figure out, is this something I'm interested in? I did not expect myself to become a bug person, and I totally did. I had a lot of uncertainty in my future career path prior to doing the internship. I mainly just did the internship to get like hands-on lab experience and didn't really know if conservation biology was something I was interested in. And one, I learned I want to pursue a career in conservation research. But two, I also was really surprised by how much I loved working in entomology with the butterflies. I was given a lot of autonomy in the research questions that I asked throughout the process, and I was lucky enough to be working at the zoo and in this intern position in the third year of a 3-year project that they did to develop better methods of rearing butterflies in a captively bred environment. We were able to ask questions and really like try to figure out like what was the variable that made that switch in how many fertile eggs they produced. So it was really interesting. I had never really gotten like so hands-on in like research before, and yeah, it just really felt like I was like making a difference and I was involved in the process. So it was really awesome. My main goal to get hands-on experience was in that like data collection and in the observations and in the research question development. And so I was given a lot of chances to really make my own choices in the areas that I wanted to like research in my own time about the butterflies. They really made me feel like empowered to ask questions about the different areas in conservation and all the different like nuances of working in the zoo, and really try to learn more and like find our own place. I was able to find my own voice in conservation working here at the zoo, especially in the labs, from just learning that I'm able to make a difference and that there are fields I can go into that will have a direct impact on the world around me. And so by working at the zoo, I was able to discover this whole new field that my impact is still going to be felt on like a huge level, from helping preserve the biodiversity of our world. Something that I was very surprised to hear about was when I would ask a question to my supervisors and their answer was, "We don't know." I feel like people think like scientists, they know all, but it's like there's still so much more that needs to be done. And so I'm excited that I can go into that field and hopefully make a difference and uncover new knowledge as well. I learned that I want to pursue a career in conservation research from working at the Woodland Park Zoo. It was really wonderful. I see so much value in internship programs like this for working in the lab, and also from other people that were in the internship with me in other areas of the zoo. And that's something that is really important to learn about while you're a student in college or while you're in high school. I just think it was so valuable. I'm so glad I did this internship this summer. I really think it changed the trajectory of my future like significantly. It made a really big impact on what I hope to do in the future. I would tell someone that was thinking about applying to this type of internship to just give it a shot. Really just put yourself out there and push yourself to try new things. Even if the position that you end up like working in isn't exactly what you're hoping to work in the future, there are still so many skills and things that you can take away from it that are still applicable in like all parts of your life.